for the part 2 of this multiplication of two-digit numbers, 32 and 21, we are going to find the product of these numbers using the split method. So we are going to split the number 32 into 30 plus 2. Multiplied it by 21, or you can split it into 20 plus 1. So using the idea of the special products, by using the FOIL method, you can solve this by multiplying 30 and 20. So 30 and 20 is 600. 30 times 1 is 30, plus 2 times 20, that is 40, plus 2 times 1, and that is 2. And then add. So you can add it like this. 600, we just write 6. 30 plus 40 is 70, and bring down 2. So same answer.